In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make text curve in Microsoft Word. So if you want to make your text curve, first go to Insert tab, then go to Word Art. Select any of Word from here. Then put your text. Then go to Text Effect option. Here is the transform and select the curve design. You can see there is curve option. Increase the box size. Go to Home tab. Simply just increase the text size. There is our text has been curved. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new videos.